What up everyone, Danger Delvin here. Welcome back to another Texas Chainsaw Massacre video. Today we're going to be doing the same Leland build. I know. I just wanted to try this new outfit out, but tomorrow I'll be playing Anna. And yeah, let's get into the video.
Although the lights have been visible for over 100 years, their origin remains a mystery. Residents of the Apache Ridge.
Alright, on gas station. Nice one, right? Slow phase, great. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way actually.
Wait, can I use that?
I can get this. He's gonna come over here. Oh my god, bro. Alright, we're good. Think. You're just breaking everything. Doesn't matter. Why do doors matter? Unless, like, Johnny takes you in the basement. Then there's gaps. Don't die, please. Alright, I'm gonna go this way. Oh, almost ran into that. That door's unlocked. I'm gonna make a little bit of noise. I'm gonna go to this unlocked door. Go over here.
Thank God you're still alive.
Door open. Man, I don't care about rifles. Oh, sorry, Connie. Don't move. Why? Oh my god. You idiot. Oh, now. Really, Connie? Climb, Leland, climb. And we're good, we're good. I'm just gonna automatically unlock this. I don't know if these locks can spawn in the house, or fees can spawn in the house. I'm gonna get this pressure valve. Yeah, I'm trying to do everything that the cook can't lock. I don't have good proficiency anyway. It's one chase. It's fine. It's cook. Oh shit, Sean. Well, still, I'm just gonna put the fees box in and then escape. What? I'm not even near him. I'm not even near him. Alright, it's not good. I'm not hidden here. They probably know I'm hiding here. Where can the fuse? I can spawn in that little area. Run, 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 run. This way. Pressure off here. Is it in the back? It is. Come on, Leland. Oh, come on. Shit, you're joking. Come on, there. Okay, I'm distracting them.
Trying to find someone too.
This is not. Off me! Don't see me. Please, on, come on. Test me! Fuck, I hear John. Yeah, fortunately I don't have time to unlock that. But that does give me time to go over here and get this fuse. They don't have a hitchhiker? Or shouldn't be a trap. I'm really sorry about Johnny Lord. Fuck. Speak of the devil. Alright, he sees me, but this is fine. We do have a barricade here. And I do have a bone strap. Did they already open it? I'm going for pressure valves. I'm going for pressure valves.
Everywhere I turn, there they
Just
are.
gonna camp that. Why did I pick that up? I'm stupid. God damn, they already escaped. I should have just refused. Oh, Johnny's connected. Alright. Shit, look at his right there. Can I turn this back on? Oh, it's still on. Watch this. Watch this. You're not gonna turn it off? Johnny's there, alright. Alright. Backstab you. I don't wanna. Wait, I'm gonna move it. Does Leslie even care? Oh, doesn't matter. Cooldown. I don't know there's a cooldown. Oh, I'm all wait. I know I could have escaped, but I want my whole team to escape. Well, Connie can't, but still. Get off cooldown. I'm just gonna wait here.
Lost him again. I gotta stay hidden.
That's gonna open. Come on. Fuck it. Bro, if I mess up this bars, I'm dead. If I mess it up, I'm dead. Run. Alright, we did it.
I have to.
We did it. Where's the game? Oh, damn. Come on, escape. Nice. Well, thank you everyone for watching this video. I'm going to put another one tomorrow, and have a good day. And bye.